Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui c'est mercredi le 3 octobre and the first thing we did was I'm going to go to French 2 Pre-AP Notes and Activities. Then I'm going to go to the warm-ups, okay, and the warm-up for today was, well, that's not the right one, that's Pre-AP. So let me go back. I clicked on the wrong one. This one. Okay, so today's warm-up was where we answered these questions. Tu as quel cours le matin? What classes do you have in the morning? And you should have begun your answer with j'ai, obviously, because that's I have. And then you should have 5 courses. All right, so I'm just going to put ... and then end it with le matin. Okay, so, and then quel est ton cours préféré? You were supposed to tell me your favorite class. You should have begun it with mon cours préféré est, and then the name of your class. And I gave extra credit to those who remembered to tell me why they liked their favorite class. So it would be ... your favorite class, parce qu'il est, and then an adjective that you learned from the flashcards. And then for quel est ton préféré, professeur préféré, you should begin your sentence with mon professeur préféré est, and then it would be, if it's a man, it's monsieur. If it's a woman, it's madame, and then the name, and extra credit if you remember to tell me why. Parce qu'il, if it's a boy, elle, if it's a girl, et, and then the adjective that you learned. So that was our warm-up. I'm just gonna put in the blanks here again. Once we were done with the warm-up, we did this listening activity. Everyone got this handout. You will get it in your absent folder when you get back. But everyone got this handout, and it was taped or glued to page 20, no, wait a minute, not 29, to page 32. This handout was put on page 32. We did this listening activity, and I'm going to let it play so you can hear it.
Leçon D. Activité 1. Listen to each sentence twice. Then write the letter of the illustration that matches what you hear. 1.
J'ai mon cours de musique à 9h lundi. J'ai mon cours de musique à 9h lundi.
2.
À quelle heure est mon cours de maths? À quelle heure est mon cours de maths?
3.
J'ai un cours d'informatique maintenant. J'ai un cours d'informatique maintenant.
4.
Tu adores les langues. Tu adores les langues.
5.
La bio, la chimie et la physique, c'est difficile, mais mon prof de sciences est intelligent et énergique. La bio, la chimie et la physique, c'est difficile, mais mon prof de sciences est intelligent et énergique.
6.
On va au cinéma? Oh non, j'ai mon cours d'art plastique. On va au cinéma? Oh non, j'ai mon cours d'art plastique.
Okay, so I actually played that 3 times, and we filled in the answers on our handout, and then the ones who got them all right got un bonbon. Okay, so we did the listening activity. Then we went to the workbook. Okay, everyone received their workbook today. We did page 53, and we drew lines and matched up the course with the description. Now you have to think about this. because it's not going to be cut and dried. It's not going to have like French over here for le français. You have to find the phrase that will match this course. So, for example, C.S. Lewis, in case you didn't know, he was an author. He wrote the Chronicles of Narnia and many other things. So he actually would be attributed to l'anglais. So you would draw a line from l'anglais to C.S. Lewis. And Pierre-Auguste Renoir was an Impressionist painter back in France, back in, I forget which century. Anyway, but he was a painter. So he would go with les arts plastiques, and so forth and so on. So we did this page, and then we also did this activity here on page 54. Write the name of the discipline based on each of the following descriptions. Here, again, you have to read the description and decide what course it's talking about. So, for example, mon livre s'appelle Aventura. Aventura is actually a Spanish name, so it should have l'Espagnol for its class. So, if you read them carefully and use your common sense, you can figure out what classes they're talking about. And of course, you use your flashcards to find how to spell the word if you don't remember how to spell it. So we did the workbook, and that is all we did today. That's all we had time for. Bon après-midi. Au revoir.